The 2012 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, heated seats, DVD system, OnStar, running boards, traction control, premium wheels, stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.